CSE department for inviting me here. Let me see how the audience is formed. I have already known the faculty members. So you are all the students, right? And who are from, say, final year? Can you raise hands? Okay. Then third years, second, and first year. Okay, a lot many first year. Then later you get bored with the old seminars, and gradually the interest will decrease. Okay, I understand that. So you all are from CSE department. Okay, great. So it is more like not very formal thing. I think this talk can be addressed to irrespective of CSE or anybody who is interested about software. So we are a software company, and my talk is about the software and how the world software is forming and evolving. So what do you see here? Okay, this is rocket. And what is rocket science? কেউ কি বলতে পারবে যে what is rocket science?
Rocket science is, well, science and scientific study regarding the propulsions and laws of rockets and space shuttles.
Good. So is there a subject called rocket science in universities nowadays? Do you see? No. Do you know that in MIT they teach rocket science, or maybe in Harvard? They have, I think, astrology, but not rocket science. Actually, rocket science is computer science. So you see the shell here and the dock here, some mechanical devices, but a good portion of the whole thing is developed by computer scientists. So আমরা এখানে বসে আছি, বসে from maybe millions of miles away we are trying to launch some rocket. So who does it? Computer does it, right? And who program it? People like you. So আমরা বলি যে it is not rocket science. So actually you are reading rocket science. You are building algorithm for rocket science. And what do you see here? A vending machine. A person looks like love with his computer. Maybe he just chat with his girlfriend. And another one is, I think, in Egypt they had a huge uproar. They toppled their government. And what do you see behind this?
The power of IT.
Good. You see algorithm. You see computer science. So you need a program for vending machine, right? Embedded software. You need a program for your computer. You want to chat with your girlfriend, you need a software for that. Without software, a computer is just a piece of junk. And even to make an uproar like that, to make a huge possession like that, nowadays you need software too. Facebook, Twitter, do it all. And who are building them actually? So আমি অনেক কিছু বললাম যে like you see from computer rocket science to this vending machine, and who are building them? Are we building them? Are you sure? Do you think that Nasenia or maybe Leeds or some of the Bangladeshi companies are doing this? Are we building Facebook? Actually not. Most of the softwares are built by these companies. These are the top software companies. Maybe I have missed some, but you can see Adobe, maybe Google, Microsoft, maybe it's not here. VeriSign, Sun, Oracle, which is of course bought by Sun, Symantec, Apple. So why is that so? So I have just anything between rocket science and vending machine. You can name anything. It's done by software nowadays. Any machine, there has to be a software. And these people are driving this, not us. Logitech, 3Com, SanDisk, Yahoo. And who are behind them? You will see that most of them are in Silicon Valley, most of them are in USA and predominantly in Silicon Valley, not even in Europe, not even in India. So আমরা সকাল থেকে এই পর্যন্ত what we have used, I have used Google, I have used Microsoft. This operating system is run on Microsoft. I have Googled some of things to get the presentation, and of course Facebook. So looks like everything is controlled by USA. And why is that so? Don't you have talent? So do you think that the Almighty God has put all the talents in USA, not in Bangladesh? We have 16 crore people, which comprised of 1 in every 50 persons in the world is Bangladeshi. We are the 7th largest country in the world. Do you know that? In terms of population. So আমাদের কি কোনো talent নেই? Can't we make a simple software to put a small dent on the universe? Yes, we have, but talent flows like water flows from highland to low. So I had a teacher in IBA, his name was I think Mujaffar sir. So সে খুব ম্যাক্রোইকোনমিক্স পড়াতে এমনভাবে যেন সে কবিতা পড়াচ্ছে, ইট ওয়াজ সো ইজি। এবং সে বলতো যে সাপ্লাই হচ্ছে পানির মতো, উঁচু জায়গা থেকে নিচু জায়গা যায়, সো যেখানে ডিমান্ড সেখানে সাপ্লাই যায়। সো ট্যালেন্টস আর লাইক সাপ্লাই, ইটস লাইক এনি আদার কমোডিটি। সো যেখানে there is a demand, they will go there. So supply runs to demand, and Silicon Valley is made of what? IC, right? We all know integrated circuit. What IC stand for? Any other thing?
Integrated circuit.
Any other? IC stands for Indian and Chinese. So they call, I mean it's a maxim, or it's a saying that Silicon Valley is made of Indians and Chinese. It's not made of Americans, and of course Bangladeshis. I have some friends also, they are working. So wherever is talent, it just goes wherever the environment is. And সবাই বলে যে আমাদের দেশে তো অনেক মেধা আছে। নিউজপেপারে ইউ সি দ্য আর্টিকেলস দ্যাট অনেক মেধা আছে, অদম্য বাংলাদেশ, অন্য আলো, this kind of, and someday these people will change the country. Actually they won't. Actually they will go to other country unless we make an environment for them. So what kind of environment we are talking about? We are talking about ecosystem. So ecosystem যেমন যে কোনো উদ্ভিদ বা যে কোনো কিছু জন্মাতে যে you need an environment, right? So বাংলাদেশে খুব ভালো পাট হয় আমরা জানি, এটা কি রাশিয়ায় হয় না? Actually হয় না, because you don't have that environment there. We have it here, but for software you need an ecosystem. It's not only talents, you need entrepreneurship, উদ্যোগী দরকার যারা করবে, people like Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. They actually founded the foundation of this ecosystem early 1970s. So we need to build that. We need to build the legal environment, investment, media support, engineers, and of course education. I think State University of Bangladesh doing a part of that. And if you ask you that who are the heroes of the world, so my 10-year-old child will say that Superman or Batman or maybe Benton, right? Benton. So that's wrong idea, right? There is no Superman in the world. There never was, and there never will be. and there will never be Benton either. These are the heroes. Do you know, can you recognize them? The first one is who actually invented incandescent bulb?
Thomas Edison.
Right, Thomas Alva Edison. So we know him as an inventor. In our textbook we read that he's an inventor, but I read more about him, but I found that he's more like an entrepreneur. He was a businessman. And you know General Electric, the great company, the company আমরা fan use করেছি কোনো সময়, but fridge use করেছি, GE. So GE is founded by this guy, Thomas Alva Edison. Next one we all know. What about the next one? The gray-haired guy who actually democratized car in the world.
Henry Ford.
Good. All answers are coming from one person. Looks like your teachers are only teaching one person. Good. Henry Ford. So he didn't actually invented car, but he democratized it. Like Steve Jobs didn't invented touch phone or iPod, or should I say MP3 player or tablet PC. He just made it available for people, made it so easy and available that people use it, and the technology becomes relevant. So it is important. It is not important only to invent something, it is important to actually market it. So Jagadish Chandra Basu radio আবিষ্কার করেছিল, but it doesn't matter unless you do it at the right place at the right time. So বাংলা বই শুধু লেখা থাকবে জগদীশ চন্দ্র বসু রেডিও আবিষ্কার করেছে, but world doesn't know. So then Steve Jobs, we all know about him. What about the next one? He's NRN Murthy, the chairman of Infosys, the largest software company in India, and you know Infosys is not an Indian company anymore. It's a global company. Infosys is traded in New York Stock Exchange. So you see one thing common here, that they are not very maybe good scientists, but they actually build something. They change the world the way it is now. So সবার কি এখন entrepreneur হতে হবে নাকি? Not necessarily. So entrepreneur যদি সবাই ব্যবসা করে তাহলে অন্য কাজগুলো কে করবে? Now if I ask that why do the GPA 5 go? আমরা দেখি যে অনেক GPA 5, but when I interview in my office, I see that most of none of them is GPA 5. I had one GPA 5 and he's from business. He's sitting down right here. But all the software engineers are not GPA 5. So we need to, you know, the great minds, the intelligent people, high IQ people should go for the right thing, not the second grade of job or career. So let's look at world software industry, how it is comprised of. World software market is about $450 billion market, and Microsoft alone enjoys $7 billion market of that, which is about I think $1 in every $6 goes to Microsoft's pocket. And how about market share of India? That is $33 billion, which is again $7 out of $100 is enjoyed by India with 18% growth. And where Bangladesh stands, Bangladesh enjoys 0.04%, which means that প্রতি 100 টাকায় 4 পয়সা হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশের কাছে আসে। So not bad. আমার মনে হয় যে it's a good position to start with, and we have 30% growth, which is much higher than the world trend. And we have 30,000 professionals. That's a lot, but that's nothing, because Microsoft alone has 92,000 employees worldwide. So if I ask that what is the potential of Bangladesh? Why Bangladesh? So আমি এত কিছু দেখালাম এর আগে যে like USA companies are building everything and Bangladesh is very small in terms of that. Now the question is, why Bangladesh? Is there any possibility of Bangladesh to do good? You know, Gartner listed Bangladesh in the top 30 IT destination, and that happened in I think last year. So পৃথিবীতে যত দেশ আছে তার মধ্যে 30টার মধ্যে বাংলাদেশ একটা যে people they're suggesting people to outsource to Bangladesh. You know, Goldman Sachs is a huge consultancy firm in the world. They rank Bangladesh as N11, that is next 11 emerging country in the world. Bangladesh is I think 56th largest economy in the world. Did you imagine? Did you think about that? There are about I think 200 countries in the world, and we are at the 56th largest economy. That's because of population, of course, and we are growing at that rate which is ranked at the 38th position. So আমাদের পিছে আরো মানে গ্রোথ ওয়াইজ আমাদের পিছে আরো 170টা দেশ আছে. So I tell you something, we are growing very, very rapidly and we are doing very good. In spite of whatever you read on newspaper and all the bad news you see on the TV. So actually it's not 9, maybe it's 7th largest country in the world already, and huge portion of that is young, energetic and English speaking. You know, the Odesk, that's an online marketplace. You can see that we rank 3rd highest in terms of revenue earning, and existing outsourcing destination is becoming expensive. Many of the cities in the India have already hardly have any price advantage. That means the market will come here. Market is already coming here. So that's a macro look. So if you ask me to give an example, I want to give our example. We started with 4 members and 1 pet project and 1 room of 100 square feet. That is about 1.5 years back. We didn't invest much after that, so we just grew organically. You know, we earned something, and from that earning we took some salaries, and rest of that we invested back. And now we have moved to a 2,000 square feet space. We have 16 members now. That's 300% growth, and our project has now 42,000 plus users. এবং তাদের মধ্যে 1400 people they are paying for the software. And that is BDIQ. Maybe you can check on the website later, bdiq.com. And we work with world famous organizations like Khan Academy. We work in 28 plus projects with few long-term customers. And on top of that, we raised our rate and productivity. You know, our rate of charging our customers by 100%. So I think if you can organize a team, if you can try or if you can join some great team, you can always be part of this success. Software has a huge potential, only that it needs to be tapped. Okay, so how do you be part of it? Do you know these guys? Anyone? You know, these guys are your Benton or Spider-Man. You should dream them when you sleep. সকালে উঠে বলা দরকার যে I just dreamt Martin Fowler. He came and he said, "Oh, maybe you can do this." So Martin Fowler is someone who and these 2 guys together, Martin Fowler and Ken Beck, they actually coined the agile methodologies and extreme programming. And Martin Fowler wrote many books about UML diagram and object-oriented programming. He works in ThoughtWorks. Have you heard of ThoughtWorks? So I think those of you who have paper, you can write this, and when later you Google them and check. Because you know, if you are a singer, what you do? Say you are a singer. এখানে কি কেউ গান গায়? হাত দেখি, বা গান গেতে পছন্দ করে, শুনতে পছন্দ করে কে? ওকে, গুড. সো whose song do you like? Okay, can you name someone? Some? কার গান? Good, great. So she's one of the great Rabindra Sangeet singers in the world, right? Undoubtedly. এখানে কেউ সফটওয়্যার ইউজ করে, সফটওয়্যার পছন্দ করে? Anybody don't like software, or who likes software? Okay, good. Many hands. Anybody don't like software? Okay, I assume that most of you like software. Now if I ask you that who makes software, কার সফটওয়্যার ইউজ করতে ভালো লাগে? That's a company, of course. So you don't answer যে আমার বেঙ্গল মিউজিকের গান ভালো লাগে, you say রেজওয়ানা চৌধুরী বন্যার গান ভালো লাগে, তাই না? Or you don't say যে HMVর গান পছন্দ করে. You name some engineers. So you should know them actually. So these are your future. You should try to be like them. You can Google many names. I just pick these four. I am not very good software engineer because I am more like a business person. But আমি এদেরকে চিনি বলে এদেরকে পিক করেছি. But there are other great names. Ken Beck, he is called super engineers of this time. So সেও like extreme programming and agile programming এগুলোর starter. They made their agile manifesto. Amit Singhal, he is a Google fellow. He is the person behind Google search engine, and he is one of the 50 most influential Indian American in the world. You can Google Amit Singhal and you'll see a lot of stuff about him. Next one is Brendan Eich. He is CTO of Mozilla. I think we all use Mozilla Firefox. He is the CTO. And anybody knows JavaScript? We all know, right, what JavaScript is. And he is the creator of JavaScript. So কখনো কি মনে হয় না যে এই অদ্ভুত জিনিসটা কে বানালো, যে ব্রাউজারে বসে এত কিছু করা যাবে? So you should check them. I mean, if you want to be someone, man, if you want to be singer, what you do? You listen to music, right? You work with a community of musicians. So you don't work with a community of, drug addicts. That because that's bad influence. So if you are in CSC department, I assume that you have some interest about computer science. You have some interest about software engineering. Then you should know about them. Those are good influence for you. And of course, you need some professionalism. So I often found that universities or engineering universities lack, or engineering university students lack professionalism. Human being. আমার অফিসে যদি কেউ কাজ করতে আসে, the first thing, what is the first requirement? He should be a human being, right? Above all. So what is the requirement of human being? Human being takes care of himself. So আমি অসুস্থ হয়ে যাচ্ছি, আমি তো কালকে বৃষ্টিতে ভিজে গেছিলাম, এই জন্য জ্বর হয়ে গেছে, এই জন্য 3 দিন আসতে পারলাম না. It doesn't make sense. A good Sachin Tendulkar takes care of himself, right? লোকটা খুব ভালো খেলে কিন্তু আসলে অসুস্থ থাকে, then he is not a good player. He is a very super engineer, but most of the time he is sick. Then you are not a good engineer at all. So you have to be first learn how to take care of yourself. Okay, then you may be very great engineer, you maybe have a very good algorithm sense about making very good, great algorithm or great software, but you don't work in a company for more than 3 months. It is not going to help actually. You need dedication for something. Great people like we say Microsoft, we say Bill Gates or Steve Jobs, they worked in a company for 20-30 years at a stage, then they become famous. Even you see some people in Bangladesh, যাদের নাম আমরা who do we idolize like Muhammad Jafar Iqbal. Is he switching universities every 3 months? He is working in Shahjahan University, I think, for about 10 years. So let's see. You need to have passion. So if you don't have passion for software engineering or computer science, please get out of this. You make some favor to yourself and people around you. And if you have passion, then what I said that you should be able to show that. যে আমার যদি প্যাশন হয় এখন সে মুভি দেখা, হোয়াট আই ডু, আমার ঘরের মধ্যে ডিভিডি ভর্তি থাকবে, আমার 2টা ডিভিডি প্লেয়ার থাকবে, আমি গাড়িতে বসে বসে মোবাইলে মুভি দেখবো, এখানে বসে মুভি দেখবো, all the directors name I will know by heart, all the actors name, আমার ঘরের মধ্যে maybe there will be pictures of actors and actors. And if I say, okay sir, I am very passionate about software engineering, and what I ask, what did you do last week? Did you build any software? No. Did you have any pet project? No. আমি আসলে প্যাশন আছে কিন্তু আসলে আমি চাকরিতে জয়েন করার পরেই এটা দেখা। It doesn't happen like that, right? So do you, I mean, a good singer, does he wait for, to get chance in a recording first, then start singing? He or she sings every time. He sings in toilet, he sings in field, he sings when he's sleeping. Every time he sings. So that's called passion. You need dedication. I think I mentioned about that. You need discipline. You understand that ঠিক সময় কাজ শুরু করা, ঠিক সময় শেষ করা, then deliver in time. And if you are indisciplined, you again become sick. You should have responsibility, sense of responsibility. Say even if you can't deliver, you should have the courage to say so. যে ভাইয়া আমি আজকে আসতে পারছি না because I have a great work. I have very important work to do. So that your team is not suffered because you are absent. So you must have responsibility. And focus to what you do. Every person is endowed with a lot of potentials in life. Do you believe that? Do you believe that every one of you has something in which some other person don't have? Do you believe that? Okay, do you believe that every person in this room has something, knows something which collectively all the people don't know? So there's everything in every person. I said in every person there is something to respect. So what makes the difference between success and failure? I think if you tell me to identify one thing, and that is focus. If you focus all your energy to one place, to one single point, then you become successful. Sachin Tendulkar, he's playing and playing and playing for God knows how many years. ছোটবেলা থেকেই দেখতেছি যে সে খেলছে এবং he's making centuries after centuries. And now he's the top batsman in the world. Bill Gates, for God knows how many years, he was building software. Okay, now he moved to some other thing. But Microsoft is keep doing that. And Microsoft is not changing their business. Not doing, okay, operating system, I don't want to do anymore. So you need focus, you need laser sharp focus. So if you put all your focus in one place, then I am sure each person in this room can be successful. So what you should do, you can pick one from web, mobile application or enterprise software. Another thing is that you are studying CSE here and you are thinking that you have come here to learn something, and after you finish you will get a job and that will automatically qualify to get you into a job market. That's not true, actually. Let me tell you that you will not learn anything here. You will not learn anything. In universities, they don't learn anything that will give you a job. So that might sound harsh. So let me explain a little bit. You will only learn to learn. You will learn the process of learning. So আমি ছোটবেলায় চিন্তা করতাম যে রবীন্দ্রনাথের এই 12 লাইনের কবিতা পড়ে কি হবে, এটা তো আবার জীবনে লাগবে না কখনো। So why they are teaching this? বানরের একটা অঙ্ক 3 ফিট উপরে উঠলো 2 ফিট নিচে নামলো, what is the meaning of this? Why I am reading this? So anybody can answer this question? Do you think that Rabindranath those lines and or the Banorer Onko that was meaningless, didn't make any sense to your life? কেউ কি বলতে পারবে? The smart guy here?
Not really.
Actually, স্কুলে যেটা করা হয় বা ইউনিভার্সিটি যেটা করা হয়, they teach you how to learn. They will teach you how to work rest of your life. They will not they will not actually make you work. They will teach you how to work. So যদি এভাবে বলি যে আমি রবীন্দ্রনাথের those lines actually help me to understand communication, to understand Bangla. Banorer Onko actually helped me to solve simple logical problems. So in my life I didn't came across the problem of that Banorer Onko, but I came across many other problems. I came across many other, I mean, billions of problems in my life, right? আমি গাড়ি চালাচ্ছি, আমি দেখছি যে আচ্ছা আমার কতটুকু ফুয়েল আছে এবং কতটুকু যেতে পারবো। আই এম ডুইং এ ম্যাথ হিয়ার, রাইট? আমি এখানে আসার সময় চিন্তা করছি যে কত সময়ের মধ্যে আমি শেষ করলে আমি আমার প্রেজেন্টেশনটা কীভাবে ভাগ। আই এম ডুইং এ ম্যাথ হিয়ার। So I am identifying problem and I am solving here. So those, but do you think that a rickshaw puller, or not rickshaw puller, some uneducated guy, he'll be able to do these things? সে কীভাবে কমিউনিকেট করতে পারবে? Did you feel that একজন, আমরা বলি যে আমরা তাদের সাথে ইন্টারেক্ট করি, একজন অশিক্ষিত মানুষ লাইক রিক্সা পোলার অর মেবি যারা কাজ করছে বাসায় ডোমেস্টিক হেল্প, উইথ অল ডিউ রেসপেক্ট টু দেম, সো আমরা অনেক সময় বলি সে কিছু বোঝে না, বলে যাই একরকম করে আর একরকম। Did you notice that? Why? Is that because they are less intelligent? Actually not. They are not educated. They don't know how to solve problem. My name is Sheikh Shaher Hassan. So I go to a bus counter and I boli apnar namta ki? Sheikh Shaher Hassan. They never write the right spelling. Never. I don't know why. Shakir Hassan, Shahid Hassan. Then I just don't mention Shaher anymore. I say my name is Hassan. That's usually easy for them, and they write Hayaka Chayaka no. Okay, they will be like that. But when I went to IBA, none of my teacher they pronounced it wrongly. Everybody they said Sheikh Shaher Hassan. I didn't tell them, sir, my name is not actually Shakir, this is Shaher, because they know how to process information. So that's what you will learn here. You will learn how to build maybe software, or how to learn the next great language, maybe how to learn Python, how to learn Ruby on Rails, how to learn Objective-C. But this university will not probably teach you how those languages. So আমি যেটা বলছি যে like this is my child, her name is Shairi. So she just learned to walk, I think, when she was 3 years old. এবং তারপর যদি সে বলে যে বাবা আমি তো হাঁটা শিখিয়ে ফেলেছি, আর হেঁটে কী করবে? She should walk, right, rest of her life, and walking alone will not give her anything. She will walk around the world, she will see a lot of things, she will work a lot of things. So walking is a tool, by that you do a lot of things. So like CSE department, you will have a graduation, that's a tool you have. But this certificate is nothing, that will not give you anything. Do you understand that? This certificate will not qualify to get a job. You will do a lot of more stuff. এইটার উপরে আপনাদের অনেক কিছু বিল্ড করতে হবে। বানোরের অঙ্ক পারি, এটা দিয়ে কিন্তু কিছু হবে না। আপনাকে রিয়েল লাইফে প্রবলেম সলভ করতে হবে, অ্যান্ড দোজ আর far different from Balaram. So how we do that? Try to read a book, maybe every month, whichever language, whichever subject you like, regarding your area of interest. It can be programming, about programming, you can be about anything else, you can read about Steve Jobs, you can read about Google, Facebook, whichever inspires you. I think a good portion of time you should spend in inspiring yourself. And what I say, in my office, what I say to my colleagues, that in your full time, you spend 70% for your office, 20% for development your office environment. How I can do it differently? আমি যে কাজগুলো প্রতিদিন করছি এটা কীভাবে ডিফারেন্টলি করতে পারি সেদিকে ব্যয় করো। আর 10% you do it for your personal development, to inspire yourself. That's very important. Form a team, work in a community, as I told that, stay away from bad influence. আপনি যেদিকে আপনার ক্যারিয়ারকে ডেভেলপ করতে চান সেই দিকে লোকজন খুঁজে বের করেন। You find out the like-minded people and stay with them, stick with them, and that will help you. That will make your life easier. Like I had a colleague in my office, তো সে বলতো যে ভাইয়া আমার বাবা তো বলছে BCS দিতে, তারপর আম্মু বলছে যে ফ্যাক্টরিতে চাকরি নিতে। So I asked, when you go home, with whom do you talk? Who are your friends? And I found that none of his friends are software engineers. None of his friends are programmers. So তার বাবা মা, they were never software engineers. That's okay. তার আত্মীয় স্বজন তারাও না, সে একটা কলোনিতে থাকে, সেখানেও কেউ নাই. So they don't have any idea about programming or the future of programming, how a programmer's life look like. So it's easy if you stay with them. You build a team, দুজন ফ্রেন্ড খুঁজে বের করেন who is equally passionate about you, like you, and then you stay with them, and that will make your life easy. And create software, like you sing song every day if you are a good singer. 2-line guy, write 2 lines of software. And I tell you, যারা ভালো সফটওয়্যার ইঞ্জিনিয়ার, they do it every day. এখন যদি if you ask like আশা ভোসলে যে আপনি কবে গান গান, কোন দিন আপনি গান গান, so what she would answer, so I do it every day. And sometimes people say that আমার তো আসলে অপরচুনিটি নাই, চাকরি পেলে করতাম, but there's a lot of opportunity. You can write to open source projects like Linux, Firefox, Ruby on Rails, and if you can't do that, you can just download the Linux code and run it and see how it works. Look into the code and see how they write it. So if any of you come to my company and say that আমার Firefox একটা contribution আছে, they selected one of the commits, I will be highly impressed, I tell you, and probably I will immediately hire you. So it is more impressive than any job or anything else. Then if I ask that which one, if you ask which one we should do, you can do any of these: .NET, Java, Ruby, Python, C++, Objective-C. Okay. Do you know what is Java good for? Java কি ধরনের কাজ হয়, .NET এ কি ধরনের কাজ হয়, any idea? কেউ কি বলতে পারবে? .NET? Windows application, of course, also enterprise application. Java embedded software বেশি হয়, but খুব বেশি enterprise software কম হয়, because it's more difficult. You need to write a lot many lines of code. Ruby, did you hear about Ruby? Ruby on Rails? So it's also a web programming language, and Rails is a framework যেখানে আমরা কাজ করি. Like Twitter was built on Ruby on Rails. Then did you hear about ScribeD? ScribeD is a slide sharing software. ScribeD এর কথা কেউ শুনেছেন? আচ্ছা, তারপরে there is also wrote on Ruby on Rails, wrote with Ruby on Rails, and also there is a there are some project management software like 37 Signals did it. Basecamp, did you hear about Basecamp? Is also written in Ruby on Rails. Okay, then Python. Do you know about Python? Do you know about Google? Maybe Gmail? Written by what? Is Python? Python is Google's favorite language. They wrote a lot of software in Python, and they are doing work on this. C++.
Almost every standalone program in the world.
Right. So the basic softwares are written in C++ and Objective-C. Don't know about Objective-C? You should commit suicide. Fundamental. iPhone, iPad. Did you know iPhone? How many of you have a touch on iPhone? iPhone কেউ ছুঁয়ে দেখেছেন এখানে? Okay, good. So didn't you wonder that the apps, in which language they build the apps? Did you ask yourself যে আমি কি একটা অ্যাপ তৈরি করতে পারি? Even 11-year-old people are now building apps. I have some videos in my computer, I think. Like 11 বছরের একটা ছেলে সে একটা অ্যাপ করছে এবং he become famous. So it's easy to be comparatively to build small apps, and Objective-C is the language. So আপনারা কেউ যদি আইফোন করতে চান, আইফোনের কাজ করতে চান, কেউ আছেন আইফোন অ্যাপ করতে চান যে I want to build iPhone app? Anybody? So then you should go for Objective-C. So people, you might say যে এত কিছু আছে আমি কি করব আসলে, মানে কোনটা ছেড়ে কোনটা, ইউনিভার্সিটিতে একটা পড়াচ্ছে এখানে আবার আপনারা আরেকটা বলছেন. So you should actually find your focus যে কোনটাতে আমি করতে চাই, and you should have depth on it, and people call it TS skills. That doesn't mean that you don't know other languages. You know other languages a little bit, but depth in one. So if you are a, say, .NET programmer, you know deeply about .NET, but at the same time, you know a little bit about Objective-C, little bit about maybe Ruby on Rails, or maybe Python. So that will give you a good career or good skill to sell. And learn socially that. Did you hear about Stack Overflow? Okay, good. So did you put any comment or questions there? Good. Did you try to answer any of them? Did you try? Did you? Okay, good. So what do they do? If you answer many questions, you have some rating, right? And that is sellable too. You put that in your CV that I had this ranking in Stack Overflow, and I would be impressed. So that's how you prepare for the market and follow the leaders. So I showed you some of the engineers, some of the great entrepreneurs. Twitter is a great thing. You can follow anybody. It's not like Facebook that it needs to be accepted. You can follow anybody in the world. So you should follow them. See what they do every day. See how they think. It's very easy. Actually, it was not possible 10 years back. যে এই মুহূর্তে maybe Mark Zuckerberg কি চিন্তা করছে, কি নিয়ে কাজ করছে, এটা কিন্তু আমরা জানতে পারতাম না, এখন জানতে পারি যে what he is thinking about. So use that. And follow what's hot. You should. Okay. Apart from Bangladeshi newspapers, অন্য কি newspaper কে পড়েন এখানে? Technical newspapers. Technical. Okay, that's a good start. But you remember you are always 2 months, back, lagging behind. Because whatever is happening today, you see it on TechCrunch, you can see it on Mashable, maybe on CNN Tech, maybe Yahoo Tech, but it comes on Computer Jagat after 2 months. And those will not cover everything. Most like tips and tricks and about hardwares. So Hacker News, TechCrunch, Mashable is another one. I should have included that. CNN Technology. You should follow them. You can follow them on Facebook. So whenever there is something, they will just update. And Facebook দেখবেন ভালো লাগলে ক্লিক করবেন দেখবেন and you become smarter. ফ্রেন্ডকে বলবেন আরে আজকে জানিস যে আজকে ইয়ে হলো স্কাইপ কে কিনে নিল মাইক্রোসফট, পিপল উইল বি ইমপ্রেসড। বা লিনাক্সের একটা বাগ ধরা পড়েছে, ওজন আরে এ তো প্রচুর জ্ঞানী, কি বলে, রাইট? ফলো দ্য লোকাল ট্রেন্ড অলসো। সো ক্লিক বিডি আমরা জানি, এখনই.com, did you hear about that? So which language was used to build Aconi.com? Did you wonder? Ruby on Rails. Cellbazaar, you know about that. BDIP is our product, is also built by Ruby on Rails. Stay visible, build portfolio. Who didn't hear about GitHub? Who did hear about GitHub? Okay, so please hear about that. There's a social, it's a repository. You know about SVN, those kind of things, repository. So you can put your code there and people will have a look on it. So whenever, some of our clients sometimes ask that, do you have a GitHub profile? I want to see how you code. So if you want to prepare for your job, please build a profile on GitHub and put some code there. And when you put your CV, you write that this is my address to of the GitHub profile, and we have and your employer will have a look, and if it is good, they will be impressed. And finally, have a big dream. You know what is the difference between target and dream? Or target and dream. কে বলতে পারবে? হ্যাঁ, বাংলায়
ড্রিম আসলে হচ্ছে একটা, আমার একটা আশা আছে যে আমি এই গোলটা লোকে যেতে পারবো, বাট টার্গেট হচ্ছে আমার সাথে পৌঁছাতে। ড্রিম থাকতেই পারে, বাট ড্রিম কামস ট্রু when I feel every possibility of target.
Like pretty much that. I mean, dream is unbound. Dream doesn't know any logic. A dream is not something you see when you're sleeping, right? Dream is something what keeps you from sleeping. যেইটা আপনাকে ঘুমাতে দেয় না, রাত 3টার সময় উঠে বসতেন, আমার তো বড় কোডার হইতে হবে জীবনে, কম্পিউটার নিয়ে খুলে বসতেন, then you are dreaming actually. Okay, so that's called dream. Dream is something like this maybe. So আমার ইচ্ছা যে I build the most respected software company in Asia. So maybe some software engineer in Taiwan, he will say that from Taiwanese university, he will say that আমার ইচ্ছা যে Messiniaতে join করা. So that's my dream. Maybe achievable, maybe not, but you should have that. Be proud of your dream, and every great thing starts with a dream, right? Did you hear about that Martin Luther King's speech, I have a dream? So maybe you should check on our website, Martin Luther King, that I have a dream. He said that I have a dream that someday African American and the white people, they will sit together, they will work hand in hand, and then at that time it was impossible to even think about that, but he dreamt about that, and now it is possible. Think big, don't think small, please, because you are the cream of the country. If I say that, যে দুধের উপরে যে শর্ট থাকে আপনার হচ্ছে শর্ট। কেন? 16 কোটি মানুষ বাংলাদেশে, রাইট? তার মধ্যে কতজন আসলে ইন্টারমিডিয়েট পাস করছে, কতজন আসলে সায়েন্সে পড়াশোনা করেছে, এবং কতজন অ্যাকচুয়ালি এরকম একটা ইউনিভার্সিটিতে পড়তে পারছে, কতজন অ্যাকচুয়ালি ক্যান অ্যাকচুয়ালি আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড ইংলিশ অ্যান্ড process those. How many people can actually have access to internet? Maybe 2 লাখ। সো দুধের মধ্যে কত পার্সেন্ট আসলে শর্ট থাকে? আর 16 কোটি মানুষের মধ্যে যদি 2 লাখ হ্যাভ অ্যাক্সেস টু দ্য ইন্টারনেট, 16 কোটি মানুষের মধ্যে কতজন আসলে এই যে আমি এত কিছু বললাম, টেক ক্রাঞ্চে যাবেন, এই করবেন, সেই করবেন, কতজন ইভেন ক্যান থিঙ্ক অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট? How many people have access to that? How many people have the opportunity to listen to this talk? So, did you ever imagine that আমরা কত privileged? And we have a great responsibility also, So, আল্লাহ তাআলা এই পৃথিবীতে আসলে সবাইকে সক্ষমতা দিয়ে পাঠায়নি। So, you are endowed with a lot of power and privilege, and you should use them. So, আমরা হয়তো অনেক সময় মনে করি যে ওই ছেলেটা তো আসলে বোকা, আরে আমার কাজের ছেলেটা তো গাধা, আমি তো তার চেয়ে ভালো আছি। But he is not meant for being a computer science engineer. You are. Do you understand? So, ওই ছেলেটা কিন্তু আসলে তাকে বানানোই হয়নি এভাবে, যে তাকে বানানোই হয়েছে এভাবে যে সে হয়তো ওরকমই থাকবে। You have a lot of responsibility. So like United States say 30 কোটি or maybe 35 crore, I don't know, around that people আছে। তার মধ্যে maybe top 5% যা করছে, আপনাদের তাই করা উচিত, আমাদের তাই করা উচিত। So maybe I should be Bill Gates of Bangladesh, and if I can't be, then that's my personal failure, that's not country's failure. And one of you might be the next software engineer like that, maybe Ken Beck or maybe Martin Fowler. And if you can't be, that's your personal failure, because maybe you can't dream big. বড় চিন্তা মাথাতেই আসে না। কি হয়, একবার একটা এক্সাম্পল দিই, যে একটা লোক ভিক্ষা করতে আসলো, ইটস এ ট্রু স্টোরি। দেন ভিক্ষা যাচ্ছে, দেন উই আস্ক দেম যে চাচা কত চান? দেন কিছু, কত চান বল, কত চাইলে আপনি খুশি? তো বলল যে যা চাইবেন তাই পাবেন। সে অনেক চিন্তা করে, স্যার 50 টাকা দেন। সো হি ক্যানট থিঙ্ক মোর দ্যান দ্যাট। সো এই যে আমি এর আগে এনআরএন মূর্তির কথা বলেছিলাম না, সো হি সেজ দ্যাট আমাদের এই উপমহাদেশের মানুষের সবচেয়ে বড় প্রবলেম দ্যাট উই ল্যাক অ্যাসপিরেশন। আমরা বড় চিন্তা করতেই পারি না। সো বি কেয়ারফুল হোয়েন ইউ ড্রিম, and you can do anything, please believe that. And I said that প্রতি 50 জনের একজন হচ্ছে এই পৃথিবীতে বাংলাদেশি। তার মানে কি, প্রতি 50 জনের একজনের নোবেল প্রাইজ পাওয়া উচিত, প্রতি 50 জনের একজনের অস্কার পাওয়া উচিত, প্রতি 50 জনের একজনের গ্রেট সফটওয়্যার বানানো উচিত। ডু ইউ হ্যাভ ডাউট যে মানে প্রাকৃতিকগতভাবে হোক অথবা গড দিয়ে থাকুক বা আল্লাহ দিয়ে থাকুক, এটা কিন্তু ট্যালেন্ট বা মানুষের বুদ্ধিমত্তা কোনো এক জায়গায় আমেরিকায় সবসময় আসে না। ইট ইজ এভরিওয়ার। ডু ইউ বিলিভ দ্যাট, or do you doubt about that? So if you don't have doubt, then please believe that you can do anything, and be careful what you wish for. If you wish for যে আমি একটা চাকরি নিব, আমি একটা ব্যাংকে চাকরি করবো, সোনালী ব্যাংকে চাকরি পাইলে আমি খুশি, I will tell you, you will get that and you will rot there rest of your life. And if you dream for আমি মাইক্রোসফটে কাজ করবো, it is not impossible. If you dream that I will work in Bangladesh and build a great company or be a great software engineer in the country, I tell you, I assure you, you'll be able to do that. That's all from my side, and keep in touch. We have a Facebook page, facebook.nasania. We keep updated our page, and a lot of times we give many feeds of tech news. And you can also connect with me through LinkedIn. You can contact me, I'll be happy. I think my email address was at the beginning here. You can take a note of that too. But LinkedIn is a good place to stay connected. How many of you have LinkedIn ID? একজন, তিনজন, চারজন? Okay. So you should have a LinkedIn ID, LinkedIn account right away. আজকে যেই খুলে ফেলবেন, ঠিক আছে? এখন কিন্তু চাকরিতে মানুষজন ওই সিভি দেখে না বেশি, একটা নাম দেখে, নাম দিয়ে we always Google someone, and if you are not present in Google, then you do not exist. You understand? So make sure you are visible in internet. It's very important. ঠিক আছে, ওখানে আপনার প্রোফাইল বিল্ড করেন, কানেক্টেড হন, ওইখানে আপনার ব্লগ থাকলে সেটা অ্যাটাচ করতে পারবেন, ওখানে টুইট অ্যাটাচ করতে পারবেন, কী কী বই পড়েছেন বা পড়ছেন বা লাইক করছেন. So be visible in LinkedIn. So I can take some questions if I have some time. কেউ কি কোনো প্রশ্ন করতে চান? হ্যাঁ, বলে.
আমাদেরকে বড় ধরনের চিন্তা করতে পারবো, বড় ধরনের চিন্তা করি আমাদের অপরচুনিটিটা পাই না. বড় বড় ফার্মগুলো আছে, কারোর আমাদের ইন্টারভিউ করতে চাই, অনেক সময় নেয় না, অনেক সময় বলে যে এখন অপরচুনিটি নাই. আমরা ঠিক আছে অনেক টেস্ট রাইট, দেখা যায় আমার চিন্তা আছে যে আমি এটা বড় জায়গায় চাই, কিন্তু আমাদের যাওয়ার যে রাইট ওয়ে এটা আসলে দেখানোর মতো এরকম
আমার মনে হয় এই কোশ্চেনের আনসার আমি দিয়েছি এর আগে, বাট আমি আবার বলি যে মানে আসলে উল্টাটাও ঠিক, আমরা কিন্তু লোক পাই না. ট্রাস্ট মি, ইউ আস্ক হিম, ইজ লাফিং. আমরা এখানে আসি কেন? টু হায়ার পিপল, গুড পিপল. ঠিক আছে, আমরা এখানে আসছি সো দ্যাট ইউ গেট ইমপ্রেসড অ্যাবাউট আওয়ার কোম্পানি, ইউ অ্যাপ্লাই টু আওয়ার কোম্পানি. উই কনস্ট্যান্টলি লুকিং ফর গুড পিপল যারা কোডিং করতে পারে. সো আমার বাবা বলছে ইঞ্জিনিয়ার হতে, আমি আসলে ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং পড়ছি. দেন ইউ উইল নট বি অ্যান ইঞ্জিনিয়ার. পরীক্ষায় তো সবই দিলাম, পাশ করে ফেললাম, কেন আমি চাকরি পাচ্ছি না? সো আসলে পাশ করলেই দ্যাট উইল নট অটোমেটিক্যালি কোয়ালিফাই অ্যাজ এ গুড ইঞ্জিনিয়ার. বুঝতে পারছেন? সো ইফ ইউ আর রিয়েলি গুড অ্যান্ড ইফ ইউ ক্যান প্রুভ দ্যাট, প্রুভ করার না করার কিছু নেই. আপনি যদি ভালো হন, আমি টের পাবো. আপনার সাথে আমি 10 মিনিট কথা বলেই বুঝে যাবো যে আপনি আসলে কী জানেন না জানেন. তাহলে আই উইল বি হ্যাপি টু হায়ার ইউ. আমরা কোথায় যাই না? উই ওয়েন্ট টু খুলনা ইউনিভার্সিটি, উই কেম হিয়ার, উই গো টু বুয়েট, উই গো টু ইস্ট ওয়েস্ট ইউনিভার্সিটি. আমরা উই লিস্ট অল দ্য ইউনিভার্সিটিজ, এবং আমরা চিন্তা করি কীভাবে এদেরকে ট্যাপ করি. সো উল্টাটাও ঠিক, যে আপনারা যেমন চাকরি পাচ্ছেন না, আমরা কিন্তু লোক পাচ্ছি না.